and welcome to where we are actually going to create our workout plan. This is the Google Doc you are going to be filling out when you create your workout plan today. It says personalized workout plan / goal setting. Directions. Think about the areas in fitness that you struggle with. Create 2 fitness goals that focus on those areas. Make sure to incorporate exercises into your plan that will help you achieve your goals. List at least 8 exercises under the exercises column in the chart below. List the type of each exercise in the second column. And lastly, list the number of repetitions for each exercise in the column marked repetitions. So let's talk a little bit about this form together before you get started. First, you are going to begin by goal setting. You are going to come up with 2 fitness goals. Each fitness goal will be written out in the box after the wording that says my goal is. So you're going to be clicking here to enter your first goal, and then we'll skip down 2 boxes and you're going to click in this box to enter your second goal. When you are setting goals, I want you to think about the fitness testing that we have done this year and think about which tests you struggled in. We have taken the sit and reach test to test our flexibility. We have taken the curl up test and the push up test to test different areas of strength. And we also take the pacer test, and that's testing our cardiovascular endurance. So I want you to think back on which of those are easy for you, which are difficult, and which are just right in the middle. When you are creating goals, I know it's easy to want to set goals to get even better at something you are already really good at, but let's try and focus on the areas that we are not super good in already. So when you test, some of you have a really hard time with the flexibility section. If that is you and you struggle in the sit and reach, then you are going to create at least one of your goals that is going to work on your flexibility. If you cannot remember your fitness scores, go into your Google Docs because we have created a chart listing all of our fitness scores. So make sure you go into there and look at that if you cannot remember what your scores were. Once you create your goal, then you're going to think about what different exercises you can participate in to help you increase your fitness goal. So let's say you need to work on flexibility. You're going to list out a couple of different flexibility exercises that you can participate in and add into your workout plan. Let's say you are really weak in the curl up test, then you're going to list out a couple of different exercises that you can participate in to help increase your core strength. So it doesn't just have to be curl ups, you can also participate in other exercises, like we all have done planks in class. There are different variations of planks that you can do, V-sits, things like that. So it doesn't just have to be you repeating the fitness test to increase those different areas of your fitness. Once you've set those 2 goals, then you're going to come down here and you're going to create your personalized workout plan. This plan does not have to only focus on those areas that you need to increase, but you have to at least have 2 exercises that focus on those areas. So don't forget to make sure and incorporate those 2 goals you've set into your personalized workout plan. When you're creating your plan, you're going to come up with at least 8 exercises. You'll click in the box below to enter the exercise you come up with. So let's say you want to do jumping jacks. You're going to write it into the box below exercise. In the next column, I want you to think about what type of exercise that is. So is that working on your strength, flexibility? Is it working on cardio? If it is working on your strength, is what part of your body is it working? Is it working your core? Is it working your upper body, lower body? For jumping jacks, that is a cardio exercise. We're going to put cardio there. And then lastly, think of how many you're going to do of that exercise. For jumping jacks, I know that I personally can do a good amount of jumping jacks before I start to get super tired, so I'm not going to put 5 jumping jacks because I know that 5 will not increase my fitness intensity that much. So I'm going to shoot for a little bit more than that. I'm going to say let's try 40 jumping jacks. And I'm going to keep going with 7 more exercises. We will put this plan into use our next fitness day. And once we've put this plan into use, we're going to reevaluate if we should be doing more or less of an exercise, or if maybe an exercise we have chosen is really hard for us, we might want to change it. So let's say you put burpees down as one of your exercises and you realize that you have a really hard time completing a burpee. Then when we go back and analyze our workout plan once we have completed it once, you might go ahead and go in and change that exercise to a different exercise. Okay, good luck, and please ask any questions that you have. Please come and ask me.